It is Saturday, May 21st, and today is the day that I officially start vlogging. I've always shied away from vlogging, even though I love vlogs. Like, I live for vlogs, and I watch them and I'm like, oh, I can't wait till I get to a point where I can comfortably vlog and I have X amount of followers. But it's like, I just feel like I just had to start eventually. You know what I mean? Like, whether one person watches it, 10 people watching it, you're watching it, and thank you. It's a new territory for me, and I just want to start doing it. I mean, why not? I can do interesting things as well. No, I'm kidding. It's just gonna be like a get ready with me. I kind of want to get ready to just take pictures, do TikToks, whatever the case may be, and I just kind of want to document the whole thing. So that's what it is. So I got this idea from like Instagram/TikTok. Ignore my Raggedy Ann doll in the back. The girls have been cutting up their t-shirts and, you know, creating a look. I'm having a hard time deciding which t-shirt I want to sacrifice. This melanated one that I got from Target during Black History Month. I don't know if I want to cut that one up. That's such a statement on its own. This Haiti Carnival shirt. I am Haitian, but I don't know. I don't know if I should cut this t-shirt, even though this is a t-shirt that I wear in the house. This one might be the winner, y'all. It's a Nintendo shirt that I basically only wear to work out anyways. Funny thing is, like, I have like 1,000,001 black t-shirts, and it shouldn't be this difficult to sacrifice one, but I love them all. They all have special meanings to me. I don't want to just chop up my shirts. But you know what? For the sake of this look, I wouldn't mind doing one. Typically, I would thrift in a situation like this, but like, I ain't got time for that, and I kind of want to get this over with. So I thought I hit play on this when I was cutting, but apparently I did not. So what we're just going to do is just like, you know, stretch out those ends so they're not looking so blunt. And that's basically it. I cut it straight down the middle. You cut it straight down the middle, and that's really it. So, but I really thought I was recording it, and I guess I wasn't. So anyway.
A few moments later.
And we're back. All right, so right now I'm getting ready to do the glam. If I haven't said that already, I'm getting ready to take some pictures. Just because, you know, no rhyme or reason. I just want to take some pictures. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll probably speed through this because I don't want this vlog to be like a motion picture or anything. So done. Just a quick little natural beat. Actually, you know what? I did want to add eyeliner. I don't know. I'll add like a little faint line. It won't be too thick or anything. But you know that moment when you say you want a small line and then it ends up being too thick and then you gotta match the other eye and then you end up looking like a raccoon and it's just like, I don't want those problems. We're gonna do our best. Let me use the the larger side of the mirror, the zoom side of the mirror, so I don't mess this up. If I do, it is what it is. I'll just wipe it off. Thank God for lash extensions, because I just saved a whole entire step. Lash extensions are it. All right, yeah, that's where it's gonna stop, because I'm not gonna do the most. The lashes are disguising it. I'm gonna match this with the other eye. Wish me luck. Oh, I love this lip. Remember when we used to go crazy for MAC lipsticks? I haven't touched a MAC lipstick in I don't know how long. I have like an array of MAC lipsticks that I haven't used in years. I probably should throw them away, but no. I could. I really could, but I don't want to. I still have my scarf on because I laid my edges down. I'm gonna go ahead and take that down. Deciding to get locks was probably the best hair decision I've made to date. And I mean that wholeheartedly. I'm somebody that's done it all when it comes to my hair. I've had relaxer after relaxer after relaxer, which damaged my hair severely to the point where I had to big chop and go natural. Braids, I've had any kind of twist style you can think of. I've done weaves, I've had wigs, and I decided at this point in my life, let me just go ahead and lock my hair because I'm always in a protective style anyway, so why not have just a permanent protective style? So far, I'm loving it. I feel so liberated. I know that might sound a little cliche, but honestly, I'm so happy with how they turned out. And yeah, I'm just gonna do this cute little style. I saw this cute style on Instagram that I thought was adorable, so I'm gonna try that. It was the two little space buns at the top. It's the effortlessness for me. It's like pretty much always having your hair done. And that's what I love about having locks. I mean, obviously, you know, get your retwist every now and then, but like, you know, I can literally just get up, style my edges, and I'm done. And I'm done. And that is like, you know, it's everything to me. It's everything to me. How cute. Okay guys, so this is how the shirt turned out. So basically you just take the ends, the bottom of the shirt and just tie it into a knot, and that's pretty much it. Super cute. Yay. So I went ahead and just added some press-ons just because my nails were looking atrocious. This is the Kiss brand. You can find them at Target, CVS, beauty supply store, wherever. And now we're ready to shoot. All right, so here I am in my living room. I wanted to choose a space where I could shoot with natural lighting as opposed to setting up my lights because this was a really hot day and those lights would not have been a good mix. I used my iPhone to take the pics using this app called InShot. I typically alternate between my phone and my Sony, but for the sake of the vlog, I obviously used my phone. I'll insert a few of the pics so you can see how they came out. Alright you guys, that is the end of today's vlog. You made it all the way to the end. I truly appreciate you. Much appreciated. Thank you so much. This is something new for me and I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!